Hello, this video is for our students that are at the green square table. And this video is to show our students that are in 2nd through 5th grade at the green square table how we are entering and exiting the cafeteria. To begin, you will be entering at the back of the cafeteria doors. And when you enter the cafeteria, you will notice that there is a bucket with a green square on it, and that is where you will place your mask bag that has your mask that you've already removed into the bucket. So you'll place your mask bag in the bucket. After that point, you will then proceed, if you are cold lunch, to your table and you will have a seat. If you are not cold lunch and you're ordering hot lunch for the day, you're going to come down the side of the cafeteria where there's socially distanced red dots on the floor, and then you will continue through the cafeteria line, order your lunch, and check out with the cashier, and then you will proceed up the center of the cafeteria where you will then go to your seat. I would like to draw attention to the allergy aware table in your section. And this table is for students who are either assigned to it or if we have a need for a student that's eating hot lunch, they may sit there as well. And that will be all coordinated with our lunchroom supervisors. So again, you'll need to have permission prior to sitting at that location in the cafeteria. At the end of lunch, you will need to collect all of your garbage, and you will then proceed to the garbage can and throw away your garbage. And then next you'll proceed to the sanitizing station where you will sanitize your hands. You will need clean hands before you arrive at the mask table, at the green square table for your masks, where your masks have been placed by the adult lunchroom supervisors. You will then follow the directions of the lunchroom supervisors to go out towards the exit, and they will show you how where we will stop to put our masks safely back on with our clean hands, and then we will proceed to the location where you will wait for your teacher to pick you up. Thank you so much for watching this video on how our green square table students enter and exit the cafeteria safely. Thank you so much.